Hey friends, let's get our bodies moving. Are you ready? Let's start with our hands up high.
Hands up high, reach them to the sky. Hands down low, you can touch the floor. Hands on your hips, shake them side to side. Use your feet to slide, slide, slide.
Keep moving, friends.
Get that body moving. Yeah, that's right, we grooving. Exercise each day keeps our bodies in great shape.
Great job, girls and boys. We really worked up a sweat. Don't forget to hydrate. Drink plenty of water. Thanks for grooving and moving with me today.